Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to enable your LinkedIn connections to export your email address using the LinkedIn mobile app. This feature is useful for professionals who want to share their contact information with. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. Next, look for the section labeled Who can see or download your email address. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow connections to download your email in their data export. Toggle this option to Yes to enable your connections to export your email address. Your email address is now available for your connections to export. By following these steps, you can control whether your LinkedIn connections can export your email address. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.